Hi there. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss about the my first web page using HTML. So in this video, I've written this basic HTML program for web page, starting by the basic HTML structure and the document declaration doc type HTML followed by the root element HTML and the head and the title of my page is my web page and head closing head and the body. So using the text formattings and the headings h1 to the closing h1, this is my first web page and the paragraph, and this is a paragraph followed by the unordered list, and I am giving three items: item 1, item 2, item 3, and li is the linked list items. So when I will run the program, it will show image of mine. I have written this image source and the path of the my image. So when I will run it, it will pop up with the image of mine. So let's run the program. Start by debugging. So see, this is my first web page, item 1, 2, and 3, and my image is popped up. So if you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe. Focus Flicks. Uh, Thank you, and